May peace, blessings and mercies of Allah be upon you all. My name is Professor Khalid Hakim. Today I am going to share with you 10 tips to make your Ramadan most productive. 1. Make a comprehensive goals checklist to help you focus on what you want to achieve in Ramadan. Be realistic with your goals. 2. Eat right. If you are one of those people who cannot do without food for long, it is important to plan your suhoor and iftar meals. However, don't overeat. 3. Give more time to read, study and understand Quran. This is the month in which Quran was revealed, hence read the translation and join Quranic circles. 4. Spend time in ibadah. Although it may sound difficult, but keeping busy is one of the easiest ways to remain productive. Evaluate yourself every day. Make time to self-reflect and assess your daily activities, from intention to commitment and practice. Is your heart getting closer to Allah or more distant? 5. Start a charity drive to collect items of great need in your community. It could be food supplies, household items, clothing, etc. Give to those you know and those you do not. Increase your generosity and sacrifice in this noble month. 6. Exercise well. You should take frequent walks to and fro the masjid, corner shops and use the stairs where available so as to stay physically and mentally alert. 7. Keep in touch with family members and relatives, near or distant. You can send an SMS, make a phone or Zoom call. Make it an opportunity to rebuild the ties of kinship. 8. Volunteer your time, knowledge, and skills at the local masjid or madrasa. Be generous with what you have and open your hands wide. 9. Make time for sleep so you can get sufficient rest to keep you alert and focused in all other acts of worship. Take care so you do not oversleep, missing out on many rewarding acts. 10. Budget wisely. Use a simple potting method to allocate money for your personal needs, home essentials and the needy. However, do not spend beyond your means or borrow money to give charity. Pay your zakat if it is due on your wealth. Nothing purifies wealth as zakat does. Stay connected for more Ramadan lectures. Fi Amanillah.